Hey folks, hey, when people will tell you that they have a little leak in their house, like this is from a roof. It's small, and I tell them that if you see the stain coming out through your sheetrock, that means most likely there's mold, and there's mold on the inside. And people tell you, no, it's just on the outside, just on the outside. We could just fix that, patch it up, whatever, fix that. Says, nope, I'm telling you, by the time you see it outside, it's already on the inside. I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like. This is what happens when it leaks from the roof on the inside of the wall. Okay? It'll leak inside the wall, run down your sheetrock, behind your sheetrock, and go all the way down, get soaked up by all this insulation, and you wouldn't even see it until things start to crumble. So I'm going to climb up there a little closer for you, and I'll show you exactly what all that damage from the water does to you. All right, so what used to be here was a double-decker 2x4. It would run all the way across. But because of the leak, and it didn't show through the wall yet, it started eating away the wood. So, it ate away the two 2x4s. It started eating away the stud that's coming straight down. Okay, and you can look at the sheetrock. This is the sheetrock that's on the other side of the room. See it? There's your mold. There's the sheetrock getting eaten up. See it? See it's clean up there? Nice and white. Here's where it starts to soak up that water. Remember, sheetrock is like, I don't know, looks like chalk. Soaks up water really good. So if you think that you don't have mold because it didn't come out on the outside, you're wrong. All right? Look at the damage. Okay? Water is very damaging to wood. It's not their favorite person. All right? Just want to show you that if you think that you have just a little mold on the outside and you got nothing on the inside, you're lying to yourself. Let's look at the mess here. There you go. That's some of the mess there. And that's some of the mess there. All right. So, big job, people. Big job coming up. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao.